I'd also like to ask you about Ali Abdelaziz. He's such a central figure. He represents so many champions. What do you respect about him? What do you think makes him a genius? Because he's such a unique person.
Well, I met Ali in 2014. We've been working together ever since. Over the years, a lot of fighters came to him through me, a lot of guys. And in all this time, in the 12 years we've known each other, I can barely remember any fighters leaving him, except maybe a couple. But hundreds of fighters have worked with him, hundreds of fighters, and so many guys still keep in touch with him, and he has very good relationships with them. I'd also like to note that Ali, he has one unique quality. People either really love him or really hate him. You can't just be neutral about him, like, yeah, I know Ali, he's all right. No one will say about him, well, I know him, he's a good guy. You'll have strong feelings for him. Either you hate him or you really love him. And I am in that category of people who really, how do I put it, who are very fond of him.
Yeah.
And I have a good relationship with him. I know his family. I know his children. His kids grew up before my eyes. When I first met him, he only had 2 or 3 children. Now he has more. This is the kind of person he is. You need to get to know him better to really appreciate him, and he will stand by you until the very end. And yeah, of course, there are people who have mixed feelings about him, but that's my point. It's hard to feel indifferent about Ali.
Yeah.
I know Ali, he's a very good guy. No, it's different with him. People will either tell you, I know Ali and I absolutely love him, or I know Ali and I can't stand him. So
it's fair to say that most people who really know him and work with him tend to stay with him for life.
Yes.
And respect him. That's important. And his judo isn't bad either.
He showed me. It was.
It was.
Oh, right. You were just wrestling yesterday.